Hi guys, it's Christina with Mrs. Property Solutions, and today I wanted to talk about selling your house for free. So usually when you sell your house the traditional way and you're working with a realtor, there's a lot of costs associated with that. First, you have the real estate commissions, which are usually about 6% of the purchase price. And then you have title and escrow fees, which usually add up to sometimes as much as 2% of the purchase price. And that's for things like title, escrow, the city transfer taxes. It all really adds up. But besides that, you also have the buyer's concessions that they might be asking for. So it's not uncommon for, traditional buyers to ask for you to fix things, maybe do like a termite treatment before you actually sell the house. And that's so that they can get their bank's approval and make sure that the house is in good condition before the bank will loan them that money. So there's a lot of costs that actually get taken out of your net proceeds. Another cost is sometimes the buyer might even ask for you to pay for a portion of their closing costs. So it just really substantially eats into your profits. If you don't want to deal with any of that, then Mrs. Property Solutions buys houses 100% free. So that means we're going to take care of all of the title, the escrow, all of the closing costs. We're not going to ask for you to fix anything. And of course, there's absolutely no real estate commissions that you have to pay. So the price that we pay you for your house is actually what you're going to get like wired to your bank account when everything is said and done. The only thing that would come out of that is if you have an existing mortgage in place or any other kind of liens, then those will get taken out of your profits. But if you don't owe anything, then the price that we offer you is the price that you actually get. So if you want to see how much you can get for your house, either visit our website or give us a call today. All right, thanks. Have a great day.